You either click to watch this video because you keep thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you have a channel you started and stopped uploading to. And if you haven't taken YouTube seriously yet, we can almost guarantee it's because of one of these three fears. You're worried nobody will watch, you're worried about what people will think if you put yourself out there, and you're worried it's really not worth your time. We get it, we had the exact same fears too, but starting our YouTube channel has been one of the best decisions we have ever made, not just for our business, but for us as people too. So today, we're breaking down exactly why you should start your YouTube channel or restart it, and why it's the single smartest move you can make for yourself and your business, even if no one's watching. And if you stick around to the end, we'll also share the exact free resources we've created to help you kick things off the right way. Let's dive in.
Here's the first thing nobody talks about. YouTube changes you before it changes your business. It forces you to get clear on your message. It makes you a better communicator. It builds your confidence on camera, which translates into confidence everywhere else. Think about it. If you're too nervous to show up on Instagram stories right now, imagine how much easier that gets after you've filmed 10 YouTube videos.
You know, when I first started, I hated being on camera.
Did you ever?
I worried about how people would perceive me, and honestly, who cares? First of all, who cares? But it held me back for years, way longer than it should have, and that I care to really admit. And now what was that, a week ago? Last Thursday, we did a presentation to a room full of medical experts, doctors, nurses, physicians, all of this.
For the fourth time.
For the fourth time, but I wasn't nervous at all leading up to it. And it's because at this point, it feels like doing a YouTube live IRL, essentially in real life.
Like our membership.
Yeah, exactly.
So even if nobody watches at first, the growth you get as a creator and business owner is reason enough to start. And that story is a perfect example of it. So if you're brand new or not sure if your channel has been set up the right way, you can grab our free YouTube starter kit. We'll drop the link in the description below just for you.
Here's another reason why you need to start that YouTube channel. One YouTube video is not just one piece of content. For us, every video turns into at least 7 more pieces of content. That could be shorts, reels, carousels, LinkedIn posts, threads, even emails. It's the foundation of our entire content system. We even showed our members in one of our recent weekly trainings exactly how to take one YouTube video and multiply it into content across every platform. It saves you time, it keeps your content consistent, and it gives you a system to work from instead of starting at zero every single week. So if you ever feel like you don't have enough content ideas, YouTube is literally how you will never run out of content ideas again.
Here's another piece most people don't consider. YouTube isn't just social media. It's the second biggest search engine in the world right after Google. And since they're owned by the same company, your videos don't just show up on YouTube, they can rank on Google too. We have driven so much traffic to our business purely through search just because our YouTube videos rank. And now we're even being pulled into AI generated summaries, which is super cool. And that tells you exactly where the future of search is headed. This is why search is the biggest part of our 3S framework that's driven millions of views. And we break all that down in our video on how we hit 4 million views, and we're nearly at 6 million now. And we'll drop that link for you below. So if you want your ideal customers literally searching for a solution and finding you, that's what YouTube does better than any other platform.
Now let's talk money, okay? Because this one's big.
Let's go.
When your channel is monetized, YouTube becomes its own revenue stream, and it's the best one for anyone creating on any social media platform right now, no contest.
Zero.
For us, it's already in our top 3 sources of income this year, right behind our full service client work. And it will likely become, based on what I was looking at yesterday, our second biggest revenue stream.
Amazing.
That's ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate income, money that just compounds because old videos keep paying you years later. Imagine creating something once and still getting deposits from it over like 3 years later. This is what YouTube does for you.
The money is only one piece of it all because YouTube opens doors that no other platform does. Speaking gigs, consulting calls, partnerships, media features, all from people finding our videos.
Yeah, I was on a consult last week with a woman who said she literally found us on YouTube, which is very common.
Almost all of them
that
do,
we're
yeah.
used to. But what I loved and what stood out is that she said, there are a ton of people teaching this, but I like the way you teach. That's why I wanted to learn from you. So I just booked the consult right then and there.
That's so cool. And that does happen all the time. And that's the power of YouTube. It doesn't just get you in front of more people. It helps the right people decide you're the one they want to work with. So if you've ever thought nobody knows me, why would they even listen? YouTube is literally how they start knowing you.
And one of our most favorite parts of why everyone should start a YouTube channel, YouTube builds deeper community than any other platform.
Facts.
Just think about it. People who watch a 10-minute video from you, then come back the next week for another and then another, those aren't casual scrollers. Those are people who are investing their time and their energy to grow with you. They start showing up in your comments, they share your videos, they tell you how your content is helping them, and before long, they're not just viewers. They become your clients, your collaborators, and just generally a lot of the time, your biggest supporters. The YouTube comments we receive from you all are our favorite thing, which is why we reply to every single one of them.
We do our best.
We do our best. But
we really try to.
We
That's
do
the
really
goal.
unless it's like something like a trolling comment or something like that,
We
which you don't
usually
actually
remove
get that much
those.
of. We
No.
would have removed them anyways. But we typically try our best to respond to every single comment, especially if it's a new video. If they're really old videos, it's a bit harder to find them and a bit harder to keep up with. But inside our membership, we actually interview creators who are living this out right now. One, Stefan, he built an entire business from an incredible community of engineers he's grown. And the other is Brad, who just hit monetization and suddenly has a brand new stream of income to support his goals, and people literally stopping him in Toronto on the street saying that they watch his channels.
Yeah.
These stories just prove how powerful YouTube as a platform is. We very much love YouTube, if you cannot tell at this point. At the end of the day, YouTube doesn't just give you numbers, it gives you people, and people are what grow a business.
So yes, starting a YouTube channel when nobody's watching might feel scary, but it's also the smartest move you can make for your business, your growth, and your future self, like actually. And if you're ready to start, we've got some resources to make it just that little bit easier. You can grab our YouTube starter kit totally free, and that link is down below in the description. You can watch our beginner video for channels with 0 subscribers and watch our breakdown of the 3S framework that drove millions of views on our channel. All of these are going to be linked below.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. More YouTube videos with tips to help you grow are coming, including the one that will pop up here for you. Drop a comment, please. Let us know if this gave you the push you needed to finally start or restart your channel. We are rooting for you always, and we will see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.